Hello and welcome to Learn with Hema's class. My dear students, in this video I am going to provide you with the Evergreen Workbook solutions of Julius Caesar Act 4 Scene 2 for ICSE grade 10. Before going ahead, one small request that if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, that is to Learn with Hema, and also share my videos with your friends. Also, if you do like the videos, if you find them useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and also share your views in the comment box. So let's start. Julius Caesar Act 4 Scene 2. This is the passage 1. There are a total of 2 passages only and 5 questions in each passage. That is a total of 10 questions we are going to do. And Lucilius, with courtesy and with respect enough, but not with such familiar instances, nor with such free and friendly conference as he hath used of old. So this is the passage. Let's move to the answer. Question 1. Who is being spoken about? Where does this scene take place? Who is Lucilius speaking about? So the answer is Cassius is being spoken about. So who is being spoken about? Cassius. So the key word is Cassius. You can underline it. Where does this scene takes place? The scene is set in Brutus' camp near Sardis. So you can underline in Brutus' camp near Sardis. Who is Lucilius speaking about? He is speaking about Cassius. So you can underline Cassius. So these are the 3 questions and 3 answers where we have underlined the keywords. Moving ahead. Second question. How does the listener assess a hot friend cooling after the extract? That means, what do you understand by this term, a hot friend cooling? So answer, Brutus, who is the listener, assesses that Cassius, who used to be his friend, has become cold. So this is what we understand from this point. So you can, how does the listener assess? So you can say assesses that Cassius, who used to be his friend, has become cold. This you can underline. Third question, to whom are hollow men compared to? Hollow, that is insincere men, are compared to horses. So for hollow men, you can underline horses, the key word for this, which appear high-spirited in the beginning, but when they are put to test, their heads fall, they fail. So you can underline the entire part, horses which appear high-spirited in the beginning, but when they are put to test, their heads fall and they fail. This you can underline as an answer. Next, whose army approaches? What are their intentions? Army of Antony and Octavius approaches. Their intentions are clear. They want to defeat and kill Brutus and Cassius. So the first, whose army approaches? Army of Antony and Octavius. Okay? So here you can write armies instead of army, M-I-E-S, plural, because what are their intentions? So their intentions are clear. So you can underline clear also, and also they want to defeat and kill Brutus and Cassius. You can underline this part also, the keyword. Next, fifth. Compare the relationship between Brutus and Cassius to that of Antony and Octavius, who appear to be more rational and logical. Give reasons for your answer. Now this question is important, my dear children. This question can come, definitely. Brutus and Cassius are good friends, because this is a self-response type. You analyze the situation and then answer. So this is important. So answer starts, Brutus and Cassius are good friends. Brutus is idealist. He is leading and Cassius. And Cassius, though more practical, is siding with him. Okay. On the other hand, Antonio is leading and Octavius is with him. Both of them are more practical and rational. Now this is passage 2. Cassius. Brutus, this sober form of yours hides wrongs. Brutus. Cassius, be content. Speak your griefs softly. I do know you well. This is the passage. So the first question. Which sober form of Brutus is Cassius referring to? How does Brutus use this sober form to his advantage? Now, answer. Cassius is referring to seriousness and idealism of Brutus. So you can underline seriousness and idealism of Brutus. His seriousness, according to Cassius, hides the injustice which he does to others. Second question. Why does Brutus ask Cassius to speak his griefs softly? Brutus is so conscious of the presence of other persons, that is their companions, he feels that it is not wise to discuss their problems and grievances in the presence of others. That is why he asks Cassius to speak quietly and not get excited. So here you can underline Brutus is conscious of the presence of other persons. Okay, and also he feels that it is not wise to discuss their problems and grievances in the presence of others. So these 2 lines you can underline as the keywords. Question 3. What does Cassius instruct Pindarus to do? Cassius at once understands what Brutus wants. So he instructs Pindarus to move away a little farther from that place. So the answer you can to move away a little farther from that place. So only this part you can underline. If you have to write the entire answer, but underline that part. Who guards the door of the tent? So who is guarding? Lucilius and Titanius. These are the two people who are guarding the door. So Lucilius and Titanius guard the door. Fifth question, the last one. How does this scene depict the relationship of Brutus and Cassius falling apart? So the relationship between Brutus and Cassius falling apart, how does this scene shows? So this scene shows that the relationship of Brutus and Cassius is falling apart. Cassius is angry. He feels that Brutus has done him wrong. But Brutus, being an idealist, is unaware of any such wrong done by him. So that's all for today. We'll soon meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe, stay secure. Bye-bye.